In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate the Shein website to find and select the perfect pair of shoes using their convenient size guide feature. Let's dive right in and make online shopping a breeze. First, we're going to start off with something very simple but essential. Heading over to the Shein website. When you open your web browser, simply type in Shein, that's Shein, and hit enter. You'll then be taken to the homepage of this extremely popular online fashion store. Shein is known for its wide array of trendy and affordable fashion items, and shoes are no exception. Once you've landed there, the next step is to browse for those ideal shoes. You'll notice a menu or categories lined up either at the top or side of the page, depending on the device you're using. You want to click on the Shoes section, which usually houses a fantastic collection. As you scroll through the selection, you'll see a variety of styles, colors, and sizes. Remember, don't rush this step. Take your time to explore the different options available. Visualize how each pair would fit into your wardrobe and suit your personal style. Now, once you've picked out a pair that catches your eye, click on the image to open the product details page. This is where you'll find important information about the shoes to make a more informed decision. You'll see details such as material, available sizes, customer reviews, and price. Right underneath the size selections, there's an invaluable tool that many customers truly appreciate: the size guide. Go ahead and click on that size guide link. This will open up a detailed chart that will help you determine which size will fit you best. One of the handy features here is the ability to switch measurements between centimeters and inches, depending on which metric you prefer or are most familiar with. This flexibility can be especially helpful if you're accustomed to a different sizing system or if you're shopping from a region with distinct sizing standards. Make sure to measure your feet accurately. It's a key step to prevent the hassle of returns and exchanges. Lastly, once you've confirmed your shoe size and double-checked all the product details, you can proceed to add the shoes to your cart and continue to check out when you're ready. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated Shein to find the perfect shoes using their comprehensive size guide. Remember, online shopping is all about convenience. And with these simple steps, you can make sure that you not only find the style you love, but that it fits just right. I hope you found this guide helpful and that your shoe shopping experience on Shein is as smooth and satisfying as possible. Happy shopping and enjoy your new footwear.